Alright guys, what's going on? If you read the thumbnail, you know why you're here. We're going to look at these JE Pistons I ordered. They came in a little, I don't want to say a little while ago, maybe a week or so ago. From the last video I said that I told you guys I was going to build the motor. So these came in pretty quick. I got a pretty good hookup on them. So let's just do a quick unboxing. Here they go. Alright. Now, I'm not going to take all these pistons out, right? So, oh, this is just beautiful. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, it's even etched left front exhaust. I like that. Cool. Cool. Put that top. So yeah, all six are there, right? So I'm not gonna go through all six of them on camera, or else this would be pretty long. But I'm assuming, so that was a blue one, right? So we'll pull a red one. 3 blue, 3 red. I'm guessing the blue is maybe the exhaust etched ones, and the red ones are intake side. Nope. Never mind. And I fucked up. I fucked up because I said something stupid on the video. Now I gotta start damn video all over again.